Hi everyone, this is a very quick tutorial on how to currently download digital files you bought on Etsy. This is how it's done early 2018. Log into your account and take care if you have multiple Etsy accounts, make sure you log into the right one. Click on You on the top right of your Etsy screen. Click on Purchases and Reviews. Search the right purchase. Click Download Files. Click Download. And then save the files where you want them. If you don't get to choose where your files will be downloaded, they probably end up in your default download folder. It depends on your computer settings. Et voila! I hope this tutorial helped you. Happy downloading!